I finally put on the carbon fiber you got me.
Did it? How was it?
It's good.
Was it clip on or?
Huh?
Was it clip on or?
No, you have to put the red tape. But it's just the push buttons. It just looks weird because everything else is.
Let's go look at it.
Let me get my.
Damn. Z.
I'm the reason why you eat Chick-fil-A.
Oh, it took me a while.
It came out nice. This I forgot. It's just these two that I bought you, right?
Yeah, and then the power button to start it.
Oh shit. Okay.
That's the only one that looks weird because it's just there by itself.
Yeah.
It actually looks pretty good.
Damn, this Camaro.
It's steering wheel because the clear coat chipping off is messing with me.
What the what?
Fuck, is the camera getting me?
This?
No, the black stuff over here.
Yeah. Hey, so what the fuck is this? Is this like a SS 50 anniversary or what the fuck? It says 50 here, but I never.
Because it's the 2017 is the 50th anniversary.
Why are you looking at me like that, bro? Were your seat deleted? Did you actually install it?
I don't think I can.
Do you actually use the back seats?
No, but like the rare occasion that sometimes I do.
Okay, back there.
You have the keys with you?
You know what? Drive it so that way you can fucking
Drive it?
Yeah. Yeah, so that way you
I
can
haven't even got to drive it.
Yes, you have.
Did I?
Yeah, like the second day I got it.
For real? I don't
Yeah,
remember.
you drove it before my girl did.
Hold on, you let me drive.
Yeah, no, so you
Bro,
guys, no,
it's
both
the
of
real
y'all,
power.
both of y'all, so you guys can
Oh,
fucking hear it.
Wait, we'll hear what?
The clanging on the shock.
You did this side.
Okay.
Brother might get in the rear seat.
You want to sit in the front?
Me? No. I was also talking to your sister. I was like, I never heard my car from the outside.
Yeah. Fuck.
Come on, pull off.
He letting me drive the. He.
Get the fuck out.
All right, I'll be back.
You really letting him drive?
Yeah, it's because there's a clanging noise coming from the shop right there.
After you yelling him, and we're gonna beat you up.
That's fucked up.
Should I add that to the video or that's too soon?
Nah, it's fine.
Okay. You have your thing so low? Or what's going on here?
That's a dark. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, your tire's fine?
No, it's a sensor.
Oh.
Hey.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me let you enjoy the experience.
Get your
What'd you do?
ass out of here, boy.
I just cleared this stuff.
Oh, track? Okay.
The steering wheel's gonna be more stiffer on track. Just put it on sport. There you go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, he fucked up. I'm seeing this bitch.
Police steady watching me. Every day they clocking me. Red alert. I'm the dangerous. I keep that Glock on me. And they ain't looking for no.
You want to see us on 45?
That's crazy. He let me drive this shit just like nothing.
I don't remember driving it. Oh.
He was more worried about the fifth gen back then than this. You said you drove it the second day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember. Where did it?
Yeah, that shit goes side to side. We're supposed to hear a clunk on his the front strut on the driver's side, but I don't hear anything. I should ask him like when does he hear it. When he turns?
Man, imagine if we had a Vega.
Fuck, this car is so fast. I'm probably just used to my fucking the issues that I got with my. I hear no fucking clank. Honestly, you should drive it because right now I'm pussyfooting it a bit before when I gun it. Like I gun it and then I kind of let off. I'm like fuck.
I don't want to speed in this car.
I did 62 or 60
You want me to drive it?
on. Oh yeah. Reverse camera too. I'm pissed. Should we just? This man got the fancy car. We got duds.
He still likes our cars better than his.
You want to switch?
Nah.
Dismiss.
My phone.
83,000 miles. He got this for cheap too, right? Damn. Well, I guess it's the miles, but it's not. Damn, bro.
Yeah, I like the rear. Oh, this rear
Yeah, bigger tips. He's gonna. It doesn't matter what we do. This is gonna shit on us.
sound wise too. Oh, the longies. No, but the Ferrari shit, those would look nice on this with the black.
Yeah, I mean, let's see what he wants. These don't look bad
See
for.
if I can find him some brighter ones. Because those are like the ones I have.
Yeah. Yeah, these don't look too bad, I guess, but
That fitment though.
they're staggered. But I don't know. Where's he at?
I don't see what he needs. I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, it's just straight red. I don't really like
What do you see yourself more with, like Euros or like the smoked ones?
Probably Euros.
I mean, smoked Euros. We want it clear or smoked?
Yeah, what the fuck? Or is that how it is?
What? You know how the thing said that tire's low?
Yeah.
That one is this one, and this one's that one.
What the fuck?
So if it says that tire's low, it's this one that's low. Which I found out the hard way.
Did you see how much taillights would be for your car?
600, no? I think I've seen them.
300-400.
Oh, they're cheap. You can buy the shit right now.
I have these.
Yeah, something like that. I want to get that.
Yeah. I have
They didn't detect the motion.
broke nigga.
Damn, they're calling me broke.
After you said it's cheap, it turned off the lights on.
It's like, oh, cheap.
Yeah, so they got red signal. Let's see. Red signal smoke.
You like these? I know you like the car, but
They're in there.
you left the keys in there?
They're in the center console. And the cup holder.
What'd you say again?
Me?
Yeah.
What'd I say? What were we talking
We're
about?
talking about the taillights.
Oh, probably the Euros.
Yeah,
Did somebody hit my car with their door? It was a red car.
Damn.
Oh.
You can't buffer it out?
I tried with my finger, but I don't have any clean towels to try it.
No, I remember that
The machine?
yeah,
I don't know.
the cotton machine.
I don't have one.
Cotton machine.
What? How'd you didn't you do it with the black Mustang?
I did that by hand.
Oh shit.
Oh no, that's his cousin's. With the 3-valve.
You think the cat will come?
Do you remember?
License plate lights.
Oh, this guy's not. Fuck him.
I wanted reassurance.